Welcome, I'm Jacob, and this session is a Yoga Nidra designed to quickly balance and harmonize your chakras. Take a few intentional moments to truly sink into this moment and this practice. Ensuring you are as comfortable as you possibly can be. Making any shifts, however big or small, to allow your body and mind to fully let go and rest. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. As you inhale deeply through your nose, imagine the breath entering your root chakra, located between your perineum and the base of your spine, traveling up through the rest of your chakras. And as you exhale slowly, release out of your crown chakra at the top of your head. As you do this a few times, simply notice any areas where the breath might feel stuck or difficult to pass through. I now invite you to focus on the following intention for this practice. I am open to the flow of energy within me. Let this intention resonate in your heart. I am open to the flow of energy within me. Repeat it now to yourself 3 times. Gently guide your awareness now through the body, following the sound of my voice. Imagine your attention as a soft stream, flowing smoothly from one point to the next, creating a continuous current of awareness throughout the body. As your attention moves, your body remains completely still. Embrace any sensations as they are, without the need to change anything. Begin with your mind's eye, base of the throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, and your left shoulder, elbow, wrist, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, center of the chest, right side of the chest, and the left side of the chest, back to the base of your throat, and finally your mind's eye center. Now draw your awareness to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Nothing to change, simply being present with your breath and conscious awareness. And now we'll practice psychic Nadi Shodhana, or psychic alternate nostril breathing. This is also sometimes referred to as the subtle energy clearing breathing technique. On your next inhale, imagine breathing in through your right nostril. Pause for a moment and feel the breath within you, drawing in all stuck energy from your body, from your chakras, almost like a vacuum. And then exhale through your left nostril, allowing the breath to leave the body, taking all the stuck energy and tension with it, clearing it from your body. And now inhale through the left nostril, pausing once again and allowing the breath to draw in any unwanted and stuck energy from your body and chakras, and let it go, exhaling through your right nostril. Continue at your own pace, back and forth, clearing and balancing your internal energies. Returning your breath to its natural inflow and outflow, feeling your energy as pure as the energy of the universe. divinely connected. In perfect balance. And return to the intention for this practice. Feel it alive within you, resonating through every cell. I am open to the flow of energy within me. I am open to the flow of energy within me. Let this intention resonate in your heart, repeating it silently to yourself 3 times. Embedding it deeply within your subconscious mind. As you do, imagine it taking root and growing, becoming a part of your very being. And begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the breath filling your body with life force. Notice the sensations in your body, the touch of the surface beneath you. And allow your senses to awaken gently. Hear the sounds around you. Feel the air on your skin. And you might begin to move your fingers and toes, bringing energy back into your body even more. As your senses awaken, feel the energy flow smoothly through your chakras. Each one balanced and vibrant. Allow this energy to invigorate and refresh you, preparing you to re-engage with the world. Thank you for participating in this short chakra balancing Yoga Nidra. I hope this practice has brought you harmony and clarity. Please share your experience in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more practices. And I also invite you to visit my website, jacobmark.com, where you'll find other resources including my new membership, the Life Rich Lab, where you'll find recordings of Yoga Nidra, breathwork, and meditation, that you can listen there or download to take with you on the go. I love connecting with all of you also, so you can follow me on social media at It's Jacob Mark and a Yoga Nidra with Jacob. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to welcoming you back soon.